Hello friends, today we will discuss chapter number 2 of NCERT class 6 science. The second chapter is components of food. Friends, in our daily life we all eat food. Food contains bread, sabji, dal, salad, pickle, etc. Every day we find some changes in our daily food pattern. Dear friends, changing location may also change the food pattern. At different places, we eat variety of foods. Each food contains one or more ingredients. These ingredients contain some important components which are useful for the human body. These components are called nutrients. The major components are as nutrients, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, minerals, fiber, protein, etc. Dear friends, here a small chart is given, whereas we have seen that how the changing of location may affect the food pattern. Friends, if we are in Punjab, what we see? We see that the item used as grain is makki roti, that is corn roti. The item used as dal or meat is rajma. In vegetables we use sarso saag, and others we use curry or curd or ghee. Friends, if we are in Andhra Pradesh, what is the change we look? We see that items used in grain are rice. Items used in dal or meat are tur dal and rasa. In vegetables we use kundru, and in others we may use buttermilk, ghee, pickle, etc. Friends, every food item contains different type of ingredients, and the taste of these ingredients differ from each other. Friends, here the question is that how we can taste that the taste of these ingredients but relates to a particular ingredient. For this, let we have to take an example. We have to taste carbohydrate. Friends, we know that there are many types of carbohydrate, but majorly our body use only starch and sugar. Friends, if we have to taste carbohydrate, what will we do? We take that food item and make a solution of iodine, and a small drop of iodine is put on that food. If the food color become blue or black, then we can say that in conclusion that the particular food contains carbohydrate. There are various sources of carbohydrate what we take, but some sources are given in the figure. The sources are sweet potato, sugarcane, papaya, melon, mango, maize, rice, wheat, bajra, etc. Here the next is protein. Friends, if we have to test the presence of protein in any food, then what are the procedures we have to do? Here is the given. Friends, for testing the presence of protein, we have to make the paste of that protein and put the small quantity into a test tube, and after that we add some water and shake it carefully. After that, 2 drop of copper sulfate and 10 drop of caustic soda we add and shake for few minutes. And what we observe, if we see that the solution become violet in color, then we can say that the protein is available in that food item. Friends, here are two figures where the sources of protein are given. The first one is vegetable or plant source and the second one is animal source. For the availability of protein in plant source, what we use? We use gram, moong, tur dal, beans, soya bean, peas, etc. And in animal products, what we use? We use meat, fish, paneer, milk, egg, etc. Friends, if we have to test the presence of fat, what we have to do? Friends, we have to take a small quantity of food to which we have to test and wrap it with a piece of paper and crush it. Friends, crush carefully so that the paper did not damage. Now open the paper and observe it. Hold the paper in the sunlight. If the paper contains oily patch in its cover, then we can say that particular food item contains fat. Friend, suppose there is some presence of water, then we have to dry that paper again in the sunlight, and after that we observe that whether any oily patches is available or not. If we found that oily patch is available, then we can say that the fat is available in that food. Friends, here we will discuss that what is the work of nutrients in our body. Friends, carbohydrates provides us energy to our body. In fact, fat also provides more energy than carbohydrate. But we prefer carbohydrate because it sustains energy for the long time. There is also found some nutrients in the food such as protein. It is also known as body building food. Friends, we normally see that those persons who are bodybuilder or who used to work physical work, they are recommended to use more proteins because protein gives our body mass in good shape. Friends, vitamins helps in our body to protect it. It prevents us from variety types of disease also. It protects our bone, teeth, joints, etc. Friends, there are various type of vitamins such as A, B, C, D, E, K. Here some briefing of some vitamins are given here. For example, vitamin A. Vitamin A keeps our skin and sensitive organs healthy. The source of vitamin A is given as milk, fish oil, mango, papaya, carrot, etc. The sources of vitamin B and what is the work? Friends, vitamin B has various type of subcategory such as B1, B2, B3, BE, B12. Friends, we call vitamin B as B complex. Vitamin B helps in maintaining good health and well-being. It also helps in energy level, brain function and cell metabolism. The source of vitamins are grain, mast, egg, feed, seeds, nut, etc. Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in our body to fight against many diseases. The source of vitamin C is citrus fruit, tomato, amla, etc. Some examples are orange, tomato, guava, green chili, lemon, amla, etc. Friends, vitamin D. Vitamin D helps our body to keep proper shape of our body, bones, teeth, etc. The source of vitamin E is sunlight. Actually, we can say that sunlight is the major source of vitamin D. So we are recommend to use vitamin D to get up early in the morning before the sun. The other sources are given as fish, egg, liver, milk, butter, etc. There are some other ingredients such as minerals. What are the minerals of what? Minerals are useful for our body to keep us healthy. Most of the food item contains more than one mineral. Some are given in the figure below. For example, we have to find the source of iodine. What we see? We see that ginger and fish and some animals. If we have to take the source of phosphorus, what we see? We see that methi, chili, milk, banana, etc. If we found the source of iodine, what is? Palak, apple, papaya, meat. Source of calcium is milk and egg. Friends, besides these nutrients, the body also requires some dietary fibers and water. We know that there are approximately 70% water in our body and we have to make hydrated our body regularly. Friends, dietary nutrients are also known as roughoge. Roughoge is mainly provided by plant product in our food. Grains, pulses, potatoes, vegetables, fruits are the main sources of roughoge. Friends, roughoge doesn't provide the nutrients in our body, but an essential component for our body and adds to its bulk. This helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Friends, water helps our body to absorb the nutrients and carry out the various part of our body to live a cell. Water also helps to eject unnecessary component through urine and sweat. Friends, for the survival of life, we have to use a balanced diet. Then here we will discuss what is balanced diet. Friends, the food what we take, if all the necessary components such as carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, roughoge, water are available in such a manner that they are helpful for our body growth, then such food is amount to healthy or balanced diet. Friends, cooking food also may improve the quality, but at the same time it also helps for the loss of certain nutrients also. If the vegetables are washed after cutting or peeling them, it may result some loss of vitamins. Similarly, repeating again and again washing of rice and pulses may cause the loss of vitamins and nutrients. Friends, we have to know that during the cooking time, vitamin C almost destroyed because of heating. Friends, if there is lackness of any vitamin, nutrients, carbohydrate, fat or roughoge in our body, we may suffer some deficiency, and due to this deficiency we may cause some diseases. When a person gets sufficient amount of food, but when the food is not full of necessary nutrients, due to this reason the person may suffer some deficiency. Deficiency of one or more may cause disease or disorder in our body. Friends, diseases that cause due to lack of nutrients over a long period of time are called deficiency disease. If a person does not get enough money in his food, he may suffer with swelling of face, discoloration of hair, diarrhea, skin disease in case of lackness of protein. If the diet is lack of carbohydrate and protein, then the body growth may stop completely. Friends, deficiency of nutrients and minerals may also result the disease or disorder. The chart is given here. Here the first column is given as minerals and vitamins. The second one is deficiency and disease or disorder due to lackness of those vitamins, and what are the symptoms has been seen in human body. The first one is vitamin A. Vitamin A, due to this we lose vision. The symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness or night, sometimes completely blindness. Vitamin B1 is cause of beriberi. The symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C. The disease is scurvy. The symptom is bleeding gums, wound take longer time to heal. Vitamin D means rickets. Friends, the disease rickets is related with our bones. In lackness of vitamin D, our bones may become irregular or bent. The next is calcium. Calcium is also responsible for bone and tooth decay. The symptoms are weak bone and tooth decay. Iodine. Iodine, the disease is goiter. The symptoms are gland in the neck appear swollen. Friends, it is the disease of throat, and basically it is found in children and it makes mentally disabled. The last one is iron. The deficiency disease is anemia, and the symptom is weakness in the body. So friends, I hope you like the lecture. If any kinds of query is available, please leave the comment and give some reasonable suggestion. The next video will upload soon. Till then, goodbye.